Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create some soft simple glam on my best friend. I'm going to begin by brushing out his eyebrows with an eyebrow spoolie. Taking the shade Lilo from the Karity Nudes and Rudes palette, I'm going to begin filling in his eyebrows. I'm mainly going to shade in the tails of his brows because I want his eyebrows to have a gradient-like effect. Taking a flat brush and LA Girl Pro Concealer, I'm going to begin cleaning up the shape. With Urban Decay's Primer Potion, I'm going to prep his lid for shadow. So just a fair warning, I didn't realize that throughout the video the lighting gets more orange. I'm guessing my camera's color balance is off and I don't know how to fix it. So hopefully I figure this out eventually, but for now I'm sorry guys. So anyway, moving on. I'll be using the Karity Nudes and Rudes palette throughout the video. So taking Mittens, I'm going to apply this color to his outer V and blend it up to his brow. Taking the shade Nell, I'm going to go ahead and deepen the look and apply this color in his crease and make sure it blends into the first transition color. I'm going to apply Unicorn to his lid. This shade is really going to help brighten up the look. So this brush isn't picking up enough product for me, so I'm going to use my finger to pack on the shade. Off screen I've already applied his foundation, so taking the Kat Von D shade in Light, I'm going to use the shade Subconscious to contour. I'm going to contour along his cheekbones, his forehead, and along his jawline. Here I'm going to go ahead and contour along his nose. I made the contour too harsh, so I'm going to go ahead and diffuse the color with the Beauty Blender. I'm going to be using blush from the Morphe 9B palette. I'm going to apply the blush along his cheekbone. I'm going to be using the shade Glitz as his highlight. He pointed out that this is a great dupe for a NARS Albatross highlighter. I'm going to highlight the tip and the bridge of his nose along with his upper lip. I'll be using NYX Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Peekaboo to line his lips. And I'll be using Wet n Wild's liquid Catsuit in the shade Rebel Rose as his lip color. Last thing is mascara and then we're done. So here's the finished look, you guys. This look is nice and light, slightly dramatic, and perfect for everyday wear. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to follow me on IG, it's O'Malley, and my Snapchat is MadeDuchess.